a scientist to understand what's going on, baby. I see you something in my eyes that's not overanalyzed. Don't get too deep with it, baby. So let it be, wanna be. They make me buzz and go crazy over you and me. Here's what I do, I've been loose. Well, like we have to change just a name. It's just a crush, like I pain every time we touch. It's just a total thing, not like everything I do depends on you. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la. Taking my adrenaline, you're banging on a heart. Please don't get too much of it, baby. I see the word forever, but that's not what I'm looking for. All I can commit is to baby. So let it be, wanna be. Don't make a fuss and go crazy over you and me. Here's what I do, I will lose. Well, like we have to do it just to live. It's just a crush, not like I pain every time we touch. It's just a total thing, not like everything I do depends on you. Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la. The blue sky, like a princess in your eyes. A vision of you and me. It's just a crush, not like I pain every time we touch. It's just a total thing, not like everything I do depends on you. Sha-la-la-la, not like I pain everything we touch. It's just sha-la-la-la, not like everything I do depends on you. Sha-la-la-la, 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 sha-la-la-la.
Keep on moving. It's non-stop. Let's push the button now.
What it keeps missing, and how we think about it. I wanna kiss and everything around it, but he's too distant. I wanna feel his body, I can't resist it. I know my hidden looks can be deceiving, but how I wish you to go. I was taken by your conversation, things that we say that I really like the way that he respects me. I've been waiting patiently for him to come and get. I knew I had my mama from double again. I knew I had my mama never better than beginning. Take this opportunity for you and you can feel it. If you want it for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know you're gonna get the wrong idea and go. You're gonna push the future out control. For his full attention, my saving hasn't gonna be my new dimension. I wanna do something to relentless.